Hi there, Brian from tournament.net again. I'm going to show you quickly and easily how simple it is to set up SideKick server for your dojo. The first thing I'm going to do is make sure that SideKick is installed and powered onto your television at your dojo pro shop. We do have one already connected to our network here at the office, so I'm just going to dial in the IP address of that and click go. I've got a browser open here. I'm on a Macintosh, so I'm using Safari, but it will work on anything. So once we do this, we're going to get the photo wall of it. And if we were looking at this after we plugged it in and turned on the television it's connected to, this is the IP address I'm going to. As you see, it'll be displayed in case you're not sure. So what we do here is once we're here from a computer, obviously, we're going to go to Setup. So whatever that IP address /setup, hit enter, and we're going to get into the setup screen here for the SideKick server. Once you get it, if it isn't pre-configured, you're going to need to set these things yourself. But basically you have a summary of your configuration, and you'll want to click the edit button. And I'll just give you a quick whirlwind tour of what's going on here. You're going to want to upload a copy of your crest or your dojo logo here by using choose file. It'll allow you to select from your desktop what you want to do. Here I'm going to cancel because I've already got one in here. You're going to put the name of your dojo, a motto, if you've got one, your telephone number in this format would be best, your website if you do have one, your email address. These are all important information that SideKick will reuse for you, especially in communications. If you've got some social media connections, SideKick server will help you get more likes with Facebook, some followers on Twitter, and subscribers on YouTube. So put that information in here if you've got it, and if you don't, you should consider it. There's some information here. It tells you that Facebook is the full URL, so when you put it in here, you want to just go to your own Facebook page, copy that out, paste it right here in that box. Twitter and YouTube are slightly different. It is just the username. So whatever your username happens to be, put it in here and you'll be good to go. Down here you'll see a little box indicating a status and then some numbers and student identity code. So our version 4.0 includes a very nice professional student ID function where you can print them. Right out of the gate you get 100 of these for free licenses. So once you use those up, you will need to get a code from tournament.net to add more licenses. With that you get the plastic butterflies to use in your thermal laminator. But what you do is once you get the code, you put the code in here and you'll click the update button. It doesn't matter what I update here, one thing, no thing. If we click update, it will go in and will update the database here on SideKick. All of this is local. It's very important that it's local. It's not out somewhere on the internet for you unless that's something you want. You can certainly talk to tournament.net about that, but we know that you want to keep all of your information internal, so that's how it is. The other thing is, once you buy SideKick, you own SideKick. SideKick is something that you own and you buy outright. You do not have to pay monthly for it unless you choose additional services like backups, or you need to buy more licenses for printing IDs. This is all yours. If you have any questions, you can follow us on Twitter, hit us up on Facebook, or give us a call or drop us an email. The email address is blackbelt@tournament.net. Keep kicking.